Hi dear followers and our patients. Today we are here with our third series of the how to do the wash of the eyebrow transplantation. Eyebrow transplantation or facial transplantation has a slightly different approach compared to the hair transplant. For example, in the hair transplant surgery, most of the time we advise our patients to have the first wash second day after the surgery. But for the facial hair transplant or eyebrow transplantation specifically, the first wash should be done at least 24 hours after the surgery, and it should be twice a day, once in the morning, for example, and once in the evening. The first wash should be done next day after the surgery. First thing you do is that we remove the bandage from the back of the head, because when we do the extraction of the grafts from the donor area for the eyebrow transplantation, we use mostly the nape donor area or the lower parts or portions of the back of the head where the hair is really thin or feather-like. So it's mostly the lower portion. After you remove the bandage from the back, you don't need to cover it again. For the eyebrow, you have a set of hair care products in your bag. It is lotion and the shampoo. So 2-in-1. First thing you do, you have the lotion and we need to apply it over the transplanted area to soften the scabs. Okay, the first thing to do is that we grab some lotion over our hand, apply it over the transplanted area. Shouldn't be rubbing it, you just do gentle tapping, just like this. This is the combination of panthenol and other ingredients to make the scabs softer, so during the wash and after the wash and after the care there won't be too much redness and scab formation. So after applying it with a thin layer and tapping it to make the scabs softer, the panthenol lotion should wait over the transplanted area for like 3 to 5 minutes at max. Waiting for 3 to 5 minutes, we need to rinse it off, rinse the lotion off. When doing the wash of the eyebrow, the water should not be cold, it should not be hot, it should be the warm water with the low pressure. How you can keep it? Very simple. The shower head has a switch. You switch it one side, it gives you high pressure water. You switch it other side, it gives you runny water. So it should be runny water with the low pressure. And it should not be with the direct contact with the eyebrows. For example, you can use your hand to cover it and the water comes from the top, or you can hold it like this, or you can use a cup or the small cup of bowl to wash it off. Don't put a direct water stream with the high pressure over the transplanted area. After rinsing it off, you have a shampoo inside your hair care kit. You again grab it over your hand, or you can directly apply it over the transplanted area. And after that, again, you tap it. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Never do a circular moves or like rubbing like this for the transplanted area. So tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. If you are taking a shower, and washing your head, be careful, as I told you, so the water will not come into direct touch with the high pressure to the transplanted area. Tap it, tap it. Tapping will make the scabs in this area softer, will help for the healing to go faster as well. Again, after doing it with the shampoo, what are you going to do? Again, just rinse it off. Let the water do the job for you. After you finish with the wash, how are you going to dry the eyebrows? It's very simple. Grab a paper towel and very gently push it over the transplanted hair. And after that, let it air dry. So basic principle, transplanted area, tap it, no circular motions. For the donor area where you have extraction of the grafts, you can do just the normal wash you used to do before the surgery. You need to rub it and do gentle massage to remove the scabs at the back as well. If you are washing your eyebrows during taking the shower, don't let the water come into direct contact with the eyebrows with the high pressure. What you can do, you can hold the shower head with your hand so the water pressure will drop even more, or if you are doing the wash, use your hand to cover it and let the water come from the side. At the end of the surgery, for the donor area only, you should be using an antibiotic cream that we provide inside your bag. You will use it for the next 6 to 7 days after the surgery, only for the donor area, not the transplanted area. Thanks for watching and good luck.